Woke up with both dogs laying on top of me. They ain't even mine, they belong down the street. Came over from a neighbor's farm sometime last night. Now they're using me like a mattress and it feels alright. I could push them off, I could start my day, but they're sleeping so peaceful I think I'll just stay. Dog bed church on a worn out couch. Ain't even my dogs, but they pick me out. They don't judge, they don't ask, they just lay there and breathe. And for a little while the world can leave me be. Ain't a real church, but it works just the same. Dog bed church, and I'm still in the game. One keeps twitching like he's chasing something in his sleep. The other lets out a fart, lets out a deep sigh, like the world been too heavy on them too. I just lay here and laugh, cause what else can I do? They got a job down the road, supposed to watch the land, but right now they're off duty, using me instead. Dog bed church on a worn out couch. Ain't even my dogs, but they pick me out. They don't judge, they don't ask, they just lay there and breathe. And for a little while the world can leave me be. Ain't a real church, but it works just the same. Dog bed church, and I'm still in the game. Crushing my chest, I don't feel so alone, and I don't feel so stressed. It ain't much of a sermon, it ain't much of a pew, but it's the closest to peace that I've had in a few. Dog bed church on a worn out couch. Ain't even my dogs, but they pick me out. They don't judge, they don't ask, they just lay there and breathe. And for a little while the world can leave me be. Ain't a real church, but it works just the same. Dog bed church, and I ain't ashamed. They're still snoring, I'm still here, and for now